Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my BOXYCHARM unboxing, and I'm also going to be trying on the products that I got here. BOXYCHARM actually emailed us and gave us 3 spoilers of 3 items that we were going to get, so I'm excited to see the additional 2 items that are going to be in my box. So let's go ahead and open up this baby. This month's theme, here's the box, how it looks inside. And this month's theme is Boxy Afterglow. Let's go ahead and see what items I received. So the first item in my box is this No Pore Blem Primer. And this retails for $18, and it says create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch and Soul No Pore Blem Primer. Oh wow, I just realized that it's No Pore Blem, like problem but pore blem. Well, that's pretty cool. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. So I'm excited to use this because my pores are a bit big. So I'm looking forward to see if it actually helps my foundation look more flawless and more matte and hide my pores out. Next item in our box is a very anticipated item by a lot of BOXYCHARMers, and that is this Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, this retails for $24, and the description here on the paper says, indulge in a mascara that actually lives up to its name. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara separates coats and curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. Acacia Senegal tree extracts its volume while film-forming polymers lock your lashes in a perfect curl. I'm excited because my lashes are super duper tiny, and I have yet to find a mascara that actually makes them look long. So I'm excited to try this guy right here. This item is this Trace Stick lipstick, and this retails for, can't find it, oh right here. It retails for $25, and it says it's Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. This 2-in-1 lip duo features a luxurious lip soothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other. The priming side soothes lips and glides on the balm, creating a super smooth canvas. The color glaze effortlessly glides onto your lips to leave behind a pop of soft, shiny color. Sounds interesting, so I'm excited to use this too. Next is this Pretty Vulgar highlighter. It's a super cute packaging. Here it is. And this is the Shimmering Swan Glow Up highlighter. I was excited when I found out we were getting Pretty Vulgar, but I was looking more for the bronzer than the highlighter, and I got the highlighter, but it's okay. I'm going to test it out today and see how well it looks. And this retails for $32. So that is a really good price. It just, last but not least, is this Pharmacy Clean Bee cleansing oil. This retails for $22. It's the Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser, and it says it's supposed to soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. It is formulated with naturally derived ingredients like coconut, sugar, amino acids, and a powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, calendula, aloe, and licorice root. Sounds really good. I'm actually excited. I like getting new cleansers. Previously in a BOXYCHARM we got a Pharmacy Green makeup remover. It was like this cream, and you know, you rub it on your face and then wash it off with water, and it works super well. Like, I'm in love with that item. It's better than makeup wipes, to be honest, because I hate rubbing my face with makeup wipes. So I'm excited to use this too, to clean my face and purify my skin. I'm going to go ahead and get started with the No Problem primer. I'm excited. I like trying out new primers. Right now my favorite primer at the moment is Matchbox. So I'm excited to see how well this guy works out. Maybe this will be my new favorite. I zoomed you guys in, so let's go ahead and... So I poured on a little bit. This definitely feels good. It feels soft. And I feel like it's thick too, so the thickness will probably blur out the primer. Sorry. It's thick as well, so I'm guessing the thickness in it will blur out my pores so they don't show so much on under the foundation. And it's soft. It smells really good too. I like it so far. Let's go ahead and see how well the foundation looks once I apply it with this primer underneath. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation right here. So my foundation definitely feels really soft, and normally it doesn't feel soft, but with this primer I feel like it feels really good. And I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can take a look and see if my primers are blended out or not. I feel like the foundation looks good. But I actually really like it, and my face feels so smooth. I feel like the pores are a little bit hidden. They're not as huge as they normally seem on my face. So I give this item a thumbs up. I like it. Next, I'm going to go in with my Better Than Sex mascara. I'm going to zoom you guys in so that you can see how well the product works. This is my lashes with the mascara, and this is without. I think it did a decent job. I'm not so impressed, but it's doable. These are the eyes with a mascara. It helped a little bit, but it's not... I think this mascara was too hyped up for what it actually does to the lashes. I don't know if it's just with my lashes, but me personally, it's okay. It's not that great. Next, I'm going to go in with my Tri-Stick lip crayon. It is supposed to be a primer. One thing I don't like about this already is the applicator. It's a really weird shape, so it's hard to apply it onto the lip. This is the color. This is okay. I'm not very fond of it. I like how this is magnetic, so that's pretty cool about it. The color is nice too. When you see it closer up, it looks more like a chapstick with color, a tinted chapstick. So it's okay. I don't really like this product. Let me go ahead and add some blush so that we can apply the bronzer. Let me go ahead and apply some bronzer so that I can apply the highlighter next. I have my bronzer on already. Next, I'm going to use the Pretty Vulgar highlighter. Let's see how this is. I'm going to swatch it on my hand so you guys can take a look and see how it looks. This is how the highlighter looks. It's shiny. I like it. Not bad. Let's see how it looks once I apply it on. Wow. I'm not even close up to the camera. And look at that shine. Wow. This looks super good. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use on my fingertip. Using this to highlight my inner corners. Ooh. Let me zoom you guys in so you can get a closer look. These 3 items, these were my top favorite. The mascara, it did a good job, can't complain, but I'm not very excited about it. I've seen other mascaras do more to my eyelashes. And then the lip pencil, well, not my style. I prefer to go with matte lipsticks and matte liquid lipsticks. And before, the overall value of all these products was $121. Yes, guys, $121.